Good, well done. Have a hand to your back. Okay. Good. Well done. Well done.
Oh my god, that was mental.
No, you can flop. Perfect. Breathe. Good. Your arms over. Hold on to your shoulders. Just.
Sorry, should I uncross my legs? I can think I just cross them.
Yeah. Uncross your legs. That's good. Cool. And just relax me. Thank you. One more. And breathe. Thank you very much. So there was a little one there. You heard it? Amazing.
Like the different parts of the foot.
Yeah.
That's nuts.
Alright, let's give this a go. Good, well done. And then have a lay onto your back for me. Good, well done. Have a lay onto your back for me, please. Get back, amazing.